Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to Trade Academy. We got some green bubbles going on right now today all around me here, surrounded by green. We talked about this morning on the morning market report that we had a pump coming in today, and then we also talked about some levels that on Bitcoin, and we're going to be looking at where that resistance is at that I'm watching right now, getting a nice retest off of this pattern right here that we talked about here all week long. So it's going to be pretty interesting what happens today, guys. We are looking at Trade Intuition joining us today. Possibly OC is going to make it in here. We're going to be doing this. So let's get it, though, guys. Without any further ado, class is in session. This is Trade Academy. Let's go. Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. Welcome to Trade Academy here on the Piper Academy channel. This is the show we bring to you every Tuesday and Thursdays, most time, unless I got things going on. But we try to do this. We try to get here, and we just break down a lot of stuff for you guys on like how I'm looking at the charts, how to do trade setups, how to use some of these tools on trading views, stuff like that, guys. It's that's pretty much the idea of the entire show. But let me go ahead and bring up my man here. Oh no, it ain't there. Where is my other thing? I have a thing there, and it's supposed to have a chat for you guys to be able to talk, but I'm not seeing it anywhere. Let me work that. I'll get it there. But we do have a setup for that, but I'm not seeing it at all. So let's just go ahead and go over to the charts. We'll talk about this, guys. This is Bitcoin. It's what I'm watching here. And this is what I'm looking to get set up on for today is watching how the price action is going to play on our range here. Bitcoin has been, this has been the area that we've been watching for resistances. We did get a little pop above it. We came back down, but look, we have this channel that we've been trading in here for a while, going all the way back to the March period here, the all-time high. And that is what we pretty much retested. Plus, if we put this on a 4-hour, though on Chart Prime, guys, you'll see we also got a nice test of our dynamic reactor right there too, giving us a double confluence of support. And now we are breaking up outside of the this rejection range again. Guys, we could be setting up to go pretty good here. Let's take a look over here at the oscillators just to see how they're looking. We still got plenty of room to go here on the oscillator to the upside. Just now getting out of that 70% range. So we can run pretty high on that. You see here, historically, I mean, we can go as high as 115%, and that's usually where we get our rejection points at. So we still have quite a ways to go. Looking at the money flow right now, money flow is coming down a little bit, which is giving me a little cause for concern for some downside maybe. But right now, this can turn back up on a 4-hour very quickly, because if you look down here on the volume matrix, guys, that's this little wave here at the bottom, and you can see it's red. It is actually starting to now give us an uptick. Let's go ahead and bring this up a little bit so you guys can see it. There you go. Yeah, we're starting to get a wave up again. So I'm actually thinking that we may get some more upside push here and maybe a nice retest here on the top of this range, which would be in line with all of the historical data here of rejection points. So there's a lot of touch points at that level. So I'm going to be watching for that to give us our rejection, our bounce point of support. Turning that resistance into support and then bouncing up from that would be an indication of a continuation upside move. So definitely looking at that. So let me go here. Is this the one? That is not the one. That's just solo open. I have one of these with chat on, but I don't know where it's at. It's okay. I got people that are going to be joining me soon anyways. We'll let that ride and see if that happens. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to everybody in the chat though. We got Trade Intuitions. He said he's having camera issues. I've got time. I can wait. You do your thing, bro. Darren does things, said, "Ayo, what a time for live trading." Yeah, absolutely. Green looks good as long as it's not puke. I agree. Brumblebee in the house. Dave Brumbelow. Crypto Chef said, Bitcoin is at the 786 shorted to zero. No. Let me take a look at where you're talking about. Are you referring to this? Let's jump over here and take a look. Kyle Fields, what's up, man? How you doing, bro? I believe you're probably talking about a 786 on this top to bottom. Let's see. Okay, I bet that's what you're referring to right there. Is that wick to wick on the local time frame there? We didn't even quite make it up to the 786. What's up, Max H? Moho, welcome to the show, guys. Appreciate you being here. What does the Piper Sniper say? Let's go check a look at the Piper Sniper, see what it says. Well, what I've been waiting on, just so you guys are tracking, I want you guys to be aware. I've been watching for this. No monocle still. I'm gonna get one. Just give me time, man. I have to make enough money to feel rich enough to wear a monocle and a big fat cigar. So what I'm watching here on this is, so if I put this on the 12 hour, this is the Piper Sniper kit, guys. This is available if you have if you have a Chart Prime Plus, or it is available if you use my link to sign up. Then you don't have to pay for Plus. You just get you just get the indicators for using my link. But on the 12 hour here, on the spotter, this right here, it gives you, it tracks up to 10 assets so that you can watch for your assets that you're tracking to get pumps. Right now we got SUI, Doge, and BTC all giving us upside movement, meaning, hey, you should be looking at longs. My tooth is much better today. It still hurts. I'm still waiting to go to the dentist. I got an appointment for that. But today, not hurting anywhere like it was yesterday. As you can tell, I am able to talk today. Yesterday, it hurt to even move my mouth. So I appreciate you asking, Moho. But what we're watching here on Caspa, see how that's a double red, double down arrows. That means that we have a negative target lock and a negative target hold. I guess you could call it a positive, but it's for a sell, not a buy, right? We had that on Bitcoin. So technically right now, we could operate off of this pump indicator on the slow mover and fast mover, both being green. And that would have been, you wait for a retest at support, which would have been the golden pocket here. And bam, these golden pockets, by the way, guys, these fibs, these are auto printed automatically. They're dynamic and it moves in the past, however many you set it up for. I set mine up for 250 candles on the daily. So the past 250 candles is what it is measuring these off of. And you can see doing very, very well. Got a nice bounce on the golden pocket, resistances and rejections, golden pocket, platinum pocket. So it works really, really good. Phenomenal, I will say. It works phenomenal because the guys that do all of the coding at Chart Prime, they went through like 3 different attempts over the past year and a half to build dynamic fibs for me, and they were not able to do it. So this is the first time that one of the developers came forward and said, I think I can do it. And so he did. He did a great job at it. So that is what we're seeing there is dynamic fibs. And so we would look for our support range, which would have been the golden pocket here. And then we got the double fire off green and green on the slow mover, fast mover quantum reactors. After getting a pump, that's typically where you enter. And that would have been great right there. Getting in at that level to right now is about a 4.6% move without any leverage. So you can definitely trade that for sure. What else we got here? Oh, yeah. So I'm watching this on the daily. That's what I'm really doing right now. The daily is what I am watching closely. Put this on, put that on. Bam. Shout out to Trade Intuition, by the way. I was over there watching his show and he said he would try to get in here with me. So hopefully we can get him in here in a bit. So, what are the 10 best coins to list in the spotter? It's really what you want to trade, man. I've got mine set up for long-term swing and investment. So right now I've got it set for a lot of crypto, but typically what I would like to do is I like to have it on on some of my stocks also. So it's really dependent upon what you watch. What are your favorite things to trade? So will there ever be updates to the Piper Sniper kit? Yes, there will be. As people request things or we see things that could be improved, there will absolutely be updates to it. So, but anyway, what I was saying, I got this on the daily, and what I'm watching there is for this to turn green, excuse me, on Bitcoin there, because right now the we have a target, no target on it. It's grayed out, so we're waiting for that to turn green. Once that turns green on the daily, we'll be full go run on that though. Darren Does Things says, I code, Piper. I know you're affiliated with Chart Prime, but if you ever want to run some ideas by me, I can try to code some indicators for you. I appreciate that, man. Did not know that. That is pretty awesome. Piper lives in the charts like he is in the Matrix, decoding it. I have charts up pretty much everywhere I go. I trade mostly off my phone, but I try to make sure that I spend time with the dog, the kid, the wife, and grass every now and then. Go outside, touch that. So, give me 1 second. I'm going to turn my fan a little bit here. It is a little warm in this room today. Got a little hotter than I expected it to out here in El Paso today. So got the guys still working in the yard and they're putting in that turf. So, but yeah, that's what I'm watching there. You can see on this one though, on the daily, if you put this on the daily, we got a lot of things like ADA's in double red, ETH is in double red. Caspa looks like it's about to switch around. Let's go take a look at Caspa and see how that's looking. Let's do that. Because that looks a little interesting what's happening there on the daily for Cas. So Caspa, where art thou, Caspa? There we go. Caspa. Let's go take a look. So Caspa here on the 12 hour. That's what we were looking at over there. Caspa's holding pretty strong on the 6.618, guys. I talked to you numerous times before. We've talked about this trend line, this diagonal trend line that we have going on here in Caspa. It goes all the way back. Let me turn off my fib extensions here. Yeah, let's turn that off. There we go. All in one. There we go. So this long running trend line, the blue trend line running up here, we've been watching that for a long time as support back here. Left it as support back in October of 2023. Oh, shout out to Retro Mike Tech. He's sending me a $5 super chat there. He said, dump it all to zero. Like it's all as inadequate as Caspa. I love it, bro. Thank you much, man. I appreciate you. Welcome to the show. Solo run here. So can I check Matic and put that on the indicator? Yep, I can do that. Let me tag that there so I don't forget to do that in a minute. Alex Prolific Crypto said, what's up with you, man? How you doing? I really want to see charts in TA with historical price adjusted for max supply. That would be an interesting one to build. I don't even know how that would be done. Darren Does Things. Are you able to adjust max supply like when like give it a parabolic color? Maybe I don't even know that you can get the supply, the token supply, tokenomics data into TradingView for the Pine script to read. I'm not even sure if that is a thing. So, but that would be interesting to see. Let's go over here and check out what we were talking about here in Caspa, though, guys. We were talking about this here, that this was a level of support, and we did test it, but I think that we're going to come back and test again. Guys, if we break this and look for a rejection down, then yes, Retro Mike Tech will celebrate. Caspa will be on a further downtrend, and I will show you on a 12-hour. We have printed a dump indicator here, and both the fast and the slow movers are all calling for that too. So you would have gotten into a short here, and this would have been your short play. So based on these indicators. So yeah, I mean, you can see my resistance box that I had up there, and we pretty much, once we pinged that was it. We got a nice retest on the quantum reactor, and down she goes. So timber, it said, where is my, nope, that is not it. I think I have another one. Oh yeah. We're good. Okay, let's go check out on the Piper Sniper kit. We had a request to put Matic on here. So let's go put Matic on it. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get rid of all the Mexican spaghetti, courtesy of OC Guy. 10-cent cast, December 31st. You heard it here first. I said that one for you. 10K cast from Mike Play. I sold a KRC20 meme for like 25x sold for cast. Would you go to USDT or leave and cash for the bull run? Bro, Me personally, I probably would not put it all in Caspa. If you wanted to have some exposure to it, just in case, sure. But I think there's plenty of tokens out there that have much better sentiment right now. We'll go with that one than Caspa. I don't know that I would do much with Caspa. I got out of all of my Caspa quite a while ago and put it all into Bitcoin, which was a very good move in my opinion for me. But yeah, let's go add Pole in here. That's what you want in here, right? Pole, not Matic. I just want to make sure before I do that. Let me take out one of these. Let's take out, I guess we'll take out Doge for now. Let's go throw in Pole. Problem with Pole is that it doesn't have that much history. So, and you need historical data for this indicator for sure. Let's go throw that one in. Let's just see. Let it load in. There it is. Now we have Matic. It's saying double red on the daily, bro. It is a sell-off on the daily. Yeah, I would buy Pole before Caspa right now also. I agree. Or MT. I agree for sure. Caspa did great. I wrote it up from like 3 to 4.5 cents when I bought it all. Sold out most of it in pretty, high teens. So Piper having a crypto party New Year's Eve. No, Piper does not do New Year's Eve, man. I can't make it that long. Sorry. I'm usually like crashing out by 10:30 at night, man. But of course, 10 o'clock here would be midnight on the East Coast. So, who knows? Maybe. We'll see. But yeah, Matic, double red there, man. We can go over and look at the chart and see how it looks with it. Let's do that. Let's go. Yep. Is that the most recent? Are we still on time? Yep, we're still in there. It's still under Matic. Yeah, we're definitely bottoming out here hard, man. Man, I don't know. I don't know that I would buy this over Matic over that's why you celebrate the East Coast ball drop. What's up, Trade Fly? How you doing, man? Trade Fly is in the house, dropping in to say, hey, I appreciate it. I don't know that I would buy this over Caspa right now. Caspa looks a little bit better until it breaks that diagonal trend line, but Matic is looking weak sauce there. Captain Jack Matic. We talk a lot about all-time highs, but we never really compare them to what they would be with current or max supply. Like what would link price be at market cap all-time high? Well, I think that the market cap all-time high is what Tim was doing with Link, and he's got like a $700 link, which I don't see feasible, but we'll go with that. Oh, everybody at my house to party on New Year's Eve. You're trying to get me in a fight with the wife. That's what you're trying to do, bro. Let's go check out some other charts here. Caspa, you heartbreaker, you. All right, let's go and check out what else we got. Oh, I want to check out MicroStrategy, guys. Markets just closed today. The 30-year jumbo mortgage rate, by the way, is at 7% now. So shout out to LBC for getting locked in before that happened. But the S&P closed green up 0.21%. So that's a good sign. The NASDAQ closed up 0.75%. And then Dow, I think, was a little bit red today. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I think we'll be lucky to see $100. Honestly, Darren does things. Yeah, the Dow closed to the downside in red a little bit today, guys. And NASDAQ set a new all-time high, just so you're tracking. So yeah, NASDAQ down 0.3% at the market close. So let's go and check out MicroStrategies today, though, guys, because MicroStrategies pumped like crazy. Hitting about $236 there before giving a little pullback right before market close. And just a reminder, they've got their earnings coming up on the 30th. So the day before Halloween, the day before the big giveaway here on Piper Academy, they will be getting their earnings reports in. So that could be another that could be another time that we see some real high volatility on here. Maybe get another pullback if you're looking to get into some MicroStrategy. And then MSTX, by the way, today, guys, up 17.6%. So my 1.75x long on MicroStrategy doing quite well today too. So what else did we have today that did well? Let's go look. Let's go over here. Yeah, let's go over here. Let's go back. We missed a little bit of stuff here. Let's go check a look here, guys. Currently sitting at crypto market cap is at $2.33 trillion, up 2.35% today. So this morning we were down a little bit, it was on the negative, and now here we are up a little bit, 2.35%. But, you know, like we said this morning, it looked like a pump day at the market open. So that is why you should be tuning in here for the morning market report every day. You guys get that data. Sitting neutral on the fear and greed at 52. That is the shakeout from yesterday's little sell-off that they had. It is a very delayed thing on that fear and greed, just so you guys know. Look at the crypto bubbles here. Pyth up 12.9%. Ethena up 6.7%. We've got Popcat up 7.8%. Ray up 12.9%, and Mu, another meme coin, up 23.1%. But I want to show you guys here on the weekly. I was looking at this earlier. We talked about GOAT yesterday, and can I find it again, or have you disappeared on me, GOAT? It was up quite a bit. It's like 118% on the week. And I'm not seeing it on here now. Man, this thing is like here sometimes, and then sometimes it's not. It's so weird. But GOAT was up like 5% today on the daily when I last looked at it. So let's jump over here. Economic calendar, guys. We had the rest of that data shake out today. I gave up on AVAX in 2021. Retro Mike Tech said, I like being poor. Mu's been moving. It has been moving. Mike, remind me to ask you something later. That's Wix 589. You guys just having a convo in the chat. I love it. Darren Dustings is worried about the autumn budget. What Italy did has me nervous. Moho, what did Italy do? Let me know. Initial jobless claims, we talked about that this morning, came in much better than they expected on the numbers, but the continuing unemployment claims actually went up higher. And then down here, guys, new home sales came in today, up 4.1%. They were expecting it to be down 2.2%. Tomorrow, we're going to be watching this one in the morning. This is going to come out right before we go live, an hour before we go live. It's durable goods orders. This 6:30 a.m. is my time, Mountain Standard Time. This is going to be at 8:30 a.m. on the East Coast. But right now, it looks like durable goods orders is forecasted to be down 0.5 to a full 1% to the downside after being neutral in the previous month. So that is a weakening economic indicator there. So let's go talk about this. Donald Trump, guys. The big D. Breaking news, Donald Trump now leads in all swing states in the 2024 election with a 60% chance of winning the election, with over $100 million traded on Kashi. That's the poll where you can bet to try to see if you can make bets to see if who's going to win the elections or whatever. It's a betting site. It's gambling. Over $100 million traded on there. Election markets continue to suggest that Trump lead is widening. The election is only 11 days away. So 60% there, according to Kalshi live forecast. He's taken swing states, folks. Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin are pretty much what's left. So looking pretty interesting there. What do we have over here? Let's go check this. Seeking Alpha. This I get a lot of stuff here, guys, because you guys know I trade and buy stocks and crypto both. So that is what I. This is what I look for. Red what? Red Mirage. It's a red what? Wick. Strong buy here on Palantir today, guys. What else we got? There was one down here I wanted to see. Palantir, strong buy, 5 catalysts for that. And then mid-cap strong buys was, no, it was not there. Where was it? I was looking at it earlier. Oh, these are buys and strong buys with momentum. This is the one. So Palantir has a strong buy with good momentum. And then the other one that I was looking at on here is don't see it anymore. It was on here. It was the AI play. I'm not seeing it now. It must have gotten bumped off. It was towards the bottom there. So Earnings growth, though, guys, it's earnings season. If you guys don't know, all the earnings are coming out right now. And so earnings growth so far, well below the 4.2% earning expansion that they were anticipating, breaking an average, on average, about 160 of the 500 companies have posted their third quarter earnings results, and they're growing on an average of just 2.6%. Way under that 4.2%. Sluggishness can be attributed to shifts in consumer spending. Yeah, because a lot of people are broke, bro. That's why that's happening. U.S. consumer spending shifting more towards services rather than goods, with benefits, which benefits domestic businesses more than international ones. So during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a surge in good purchases, but that trend has slowed down. So we're seeing a little shift there, and it's happening with the earnings of these companies. So that's what we got there. Let's get back to charts. Let's go back to charts. And it doesn't look like anyone is joining me today on the live stream. So you guys just get me. That's all you're going to get today. Army Piper talking the entire show. So I swear I had a setup for this, but I don't know where it went. I don't know. It's not there at all. There is no solo show setup on here today. I don't know what happened. That's okay. It's not here, is it? Nope, not there either. Let's jump over here, take a look. Maybe news, studio cam. Nope, I have nothing. I had it there before. I'm not sure where it went to, but that's okay. We will keep on rocking. So, Crypto Chef, Army Piper, I appreciate you, bro. Username, I said TradeFly. I will see you after 8:30 since it never starts on time. Shots fired, man. Shots fired. Oh, that's great. Has Moho made a reverse seared steak yet? I don't even know what that is. TradeFly, you take care, bro. He's probably already gone. Okay. So let's go and talk about some trade setups and what I'm watching for here on Bitcoin. We are breaking that golden pocket here now. Let's jump over to that. There we go. We are breaking that golden pocket here and getting up towards that 786 that they were talking about earlier in the chat. That 786, guys, coming in about 68,567. I would say that might be a decent area to look for that rejection. Let's go ahead and do a side-by-side, and let's see how this is looking here. If you feel you must short today, no, I think we go higher, bro. Looking at this, I'm on a 12-hour. Let's drop it down to a 4-hour. Yeah, I think we go higher. We're at the 70% line over here on the RSI primed, and I've got it on thermal candles here. But I do think that we might get a little bit higher than that, come up to these other levels here, which if we did that would put us in line with some of these previous levels. Why are you like that? Oh, I see. Hold on. There we go. That looked way different than that one. I didn't know what was going on there. So yeah, we're looking at this coming back up. We do have widening Bollinger Bands. I don't know that we can make it up there, but if we did, if we came up to touch the Bollinger Bands before our pullback, guys, that would be about a $70,000 to $71,000 Bitcoin. What does that level look like on the other chart if we do that? Let's go look at that level. A 70 to 71,000. Let's get rid of those fibs. There we go. $70,000 to $71,000 Bitcoin in that ballpark there. That would be a liquidity grab from the previous levels. Guys, I can go with this. And here's why. If we go over here and we put in, the line right here above, about right in there, that's about where it was at. Throw a horizontal in there. That level coming up would give us a liquidity grab above two previous levels here. So I could see that. I could absolutely see that. And that would be up at that Bollinger Band area, that daily Bollinger Band area at the top. So large range. My fib pulled from March 13th to the downside. I take it that you're talking about to the downside here. There's a delay, so it'll take a second. But let's see here. Let's see if we can duplicate this until he answers. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see. 786. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I mean, we can go with that. It is approaching the 786 there, but I like my fibs a lot better. They're running beautifully accurate. They go all the way back to the 2018 bottom, dude. Um, and that one there, we're breaking that 786. And the reason that I like these so well is because with it being pulled from a low of 2018 to the top of 2021 to the bottom of 2022, we almost to the dollar got our rejection on the top of the platinum pocket here in March. And these have been playing really well also for the golden pocket here. We literally, there's your word. I gotta find a new word besides literally, man. Jesus. We did definitely get a bounce there on a wick of the 0.66 here for that pullback for a bounce. So I would be looking for this to try to continue up and just grab some liquidity. What we can do is go look at the heat map and see how that looks right now. And that will give us another idea. Come here, Mr. Heat Map. Where you at? Economic calendar. Nope, that's not it. Bitcoin liquidations. There we go. We go in here. We're going to go to liquidations and then go to that heat map and we'll see how it looks. Model 2. Let's put this on a 3-day. Because, guys, we talked about this morning on this live stream that there was a lot more, there was a lot of liquidity above us. We had a very big hot spot here that we've cleaned out since this morning's live stream. And there's still more up there to go. So I want to come over here. Let's put this on a weekly and see how this is looking. Yeah, look there. 69,000 is our next hot spot once we clean this out. We really don't have much below us. I mean, there's some green down here, obviously. A lot of liquidity down there with like 50 million, 47 million, so on and so forth. But when you look at this up here where we've got about 300 million total, once we clean out this hot spot right here, it's upside we go, I think. And then we get our rejection. I would definitely be looking at that. I keep hitting the wrong button. I would definitely be looking at that Bollinger Band on the daily for that top side rejection there. Let's check out the chat. Wow. Okay. You need more. Do you have my setups, Crypto Chef? I can show you my fib setups if you want them. What's up there, LBC in the house? The Sniper Piper. Yeah, if you want to see those, I'll show you those levels so that you can duplicate them on your screen. They work pretty good. I just hit the wrong button twice. It's okay. Yeah, let me know if you do. I'll pull it up here and show you. And guys, don't forget right after this, if you are an upperclassman, shout out to All Set, man. Appreciate you. $5 super chat from All Set. RB Piper, you're doing great. Givers Game. Hashtag Givers Game, baby. I appreciate you, man. Much, much love. If you guys do not have access to the upperclassmen, it's in our Discord. We have a whole section in our Discord where we have members channels here, and some of our basic member stuff like you guys have right now can get you like in the news chat and stuff, the members chat and all that stuff. But we have other stuff too that is in our Discord for upperclassmen. I'll show you guys how to get on that if you're interested. So our upperclassmen stuff, guys, we do TA 101. That's right after this show today. We're going to be doing that over in the Discord. So if you're an upperclassman, be watching out for that. We got trade setups in there, Crypto Gym watch list, Project Quick Dives from Crux of Crypto, and then VIP content. There's some, we have shared subscription stuff in there that you guys can get access to, newsletter. What else is there? Low mid-cap gems routinely added depending on risk tolerance, access to the founder crypto portfolios with percentage allocations, and then receive in-depth portfolio feedback from Crux Crypto, not financial advice. All that stuff, guys. Right now, it is only $19.99 per month to get that, and that is a introductory price because it will be going to $25 a month after the first 50 people sign up. And that is almost done getting that level there at the $19.99. But you guys get some really good stuff in there. Come over here and I'll show you. One of the things you get is a chance to win $100 on October 31st on Halloween on the morning market report. Anyone who signs up to the upper class subscription using that over there. Let me get you that link real fast. I'll share that for you so you guys can join if you want to join. Drop it here in the chat. There we go. That is how you join up to get that. But you guys can get a chance just by signing up, get locked into that $19.99 price and get a chance to win $100 to a random WAP upper class subscriber. And then Good Morning Crypto is going to be doing a giveaway on that day also. They're doing guesses. It doesn't cost anything. Make a prediction on what the price of Bitcoin will be at the market open on Halloween morning when they go live. Not market open, when they go live in the morning, pre-market on Good Morning Crypto with Lunar Beaches Crypto and BC Port Corp. If you guys guessed that correctly, then you get a chance to win $100 there, or the closest to it. And then Crypto Nightcap is also doing a $100 giveaway that day. All you got to do for that, you check out Blowfin. There's a link right there in the chat. Sign up with our Blowfin, deposit $50, and you're entered in to win there. So we're giving away $300 on Halloween. But yeah, sorry about that rant. I just wanted to get all that out because we're going to be heading over there here in just a few on the Discord for the upperclassmen to get TA 101. So let's go see what everybody said here. Please, I'll screenshot. I got you, Crypto Chef. Let's do that in just 1 second. LBC, what are you thinking for a price prediction for Ondo? I'm bullish on Ondo, man. I hate doing price predictions. That's why I'd have 30,000 subscribers too if I did price predictions. There's no way to do a price prediction is nothing but a hopium inducer. You're literally talking about a speculative asset within a speculative asset class. And you're talking about a arbitrary market cap prediction because it's really about the Bitcoin market cap. You have to take a look. I'll tell you guys how to do it, and then you don't have to go watch somebody's $700 link description anymore. Here's what you do: you take the market cap of Bitcoin, and you go, okay, I think that Bitcoin is going to hit this price, okay? And here right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, this is not how you figure out a market cap, because when they put down the price of Bitcoin at 100,000 times however many million there is in existence right now, and then that is the market cap, that does not give you the actual price. That's not how the price works. There's a lot of variables that are also present in that, but it is a ballpark, and we'll go with that. So you get that number, and that's your market cap of that. If Bitcoin is average 48% market cap of the total market cap, then you figure out the total market cap. Look at that token that you're talking about, like Ondo, compare it to what other real world assets were like last cycle and go, okay, well, I think that this could be the number 8 coin or the number 7 coin on the total market cap. Last cycle, that number 7 or 8 coin was this much. This was the total market cap of Bitcoin then. The market cap of this was this. That means that if market cap is higher now for Bitcoin, then the total market cap is higher. And the market cap of that number 7 token, whatever it may be, should be this. Divide that by the token count, and then that would give you your prediction number. But it doesn't work. So I hate doing them. It's nothing. It is nothing but to move people to click on your videos, dude. And I will never put out content just to get people to click. I want to give you guys alpha that matters, not fill your brain with hopes, dreams, rainbows, and unicorns. So if we see things that are going to move and I go, hey, I think Bitcoin's going to break $125,000, I will tell you that. But I will not tell you things that I don't believe in. And I just, I don't believe in price prediction videos, man. Hopium is my middle name, Retro Mike said. Crypto Billy in the house. What is up? Billy, did you see the token GOAT? Did you see it yesterday morning? We talked about it. I showed a trade setup. GOAT is up like 118% in a week. Ondo will probably get to $3 to $4. Let's go look. Let's go look. Let's go see. Ondo. Come here, Ondo. Gotta find Ondo first. There we go. Let's jump over here and take a look at the chart. Oh yeah, I could easily see that. I could easily see $3 or $4, man. That's literally, there's the word again. That's not too far off. I need a thesaurus. I gotta get rid of the word literally. Trade intuition. We got to work on getting rid of. Let's wipe out literally from existence. Literally. Yeah, so looking here, I can see that. I mean, you look at where we were at here. That was $1.50 back in June of this year. It would only be a 100% move to get us up back to that from where we are currently. We're at 75 cents. That's a 100%. So that's a 1x. I think that if we have a bull run, I think Ondo does at least a 3x from here, even on the conservative side. So if we do a 3x from here, a 1x would be $1.50, a 2x would be 225. $3 is easy. I think we actually can hit a little bit higher. I think $4 to $5 is absolutely feasible. Um, Lunar beaches, price prediction videos are your thing. I can do them. It's a simple mathematical equation. It's just if I was going to do that with my timing, with my time, I would rather, hey, let me show you guys how to build this indicator on your chart and use it to monitor everything, not just this one coin, so that you can, be fueled with hopium all day. But if you guys want to feel good, yeah, we'll feel good. Goda's on the 100, 200 screen now with the bubbles. Oh, here we go. Let's go check it out. Crypto bubbles, 100, 200. Where you at, goat? Did it already move off of this one on the daily? It may have. It may be back down. Where is goat? Man, this thing is hiding from me today. Let's go look. We got Giga. Am I missing goat on here? Am I just blind today, guys? I don't know. I might be. Turbo's up 5.7% on the daily. Maybe it was on the weekly that I saw it. Oh, there it is. It was on the weekly. Yeah, goat. Goat is up 137%. This is the trade setup that we talked about yesterday on the show, yesterday morning. Let's go take a look at that and see what it's doing now, because it looks like it took off again here. We had this on the hourly. We were looking at this, and we were up here at this area yesterday morning. I said, watch for a 1-to-1 retest here based on a trend-based fib extension. And we came back, double tested it twice. I actually got in on this trade, sold, and got back in on that trade, wrote it up to 90 cents there, and it hit it perfectly. I had it at sell at 90 cents. It hit 90.2 cents. Now it's on its way back down. This might be another one of those where I watch for this level and enter again. I just got to say, man, it's doing pretty good, though. So weekly, yep, got it. Piper, what's up, French Toaster? How you doing, man? How you doing? All right, guys. That's about all I have time for. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I've got to get some stuff prepped for TA 101 for the upperclassmen. If you guys haven't gotten joined over there yet, go ahead and join up. You're going to get entered to win $100 on October 31st, and I will tell you, without giving you the full rundown of everything that's over there, for $19.99 a month, right off the bat with one perk, it has a $130 a month value. So it's not a bad thing. If you guys want to know what that is, get with me offline. I'll tell you over in the Discord. But guys, we will catch you all back here tomorrow morning. Don't forget to join the Crypto Nightcap tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with FDY and TradeFly. And then tomorrow morning, make sure you tune in at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to catch BC Port Corp and Lunar Beaches Crypto knocking out the Good Morning Crypto pre-market. And then join me at the morning market report and all that data. Remember, we do have some data coming out tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m., an hour before market opening. So keep an eye on that. That is going to be the main driving factor tomorrow with markets. So, guys, we will catch you over in the Discord. There we have a free side too. You can join there. Links down below. And I will catch you guys in the morning. You guys have a good one. Trade safe. And as always, guys, use a stop loss.